Oftentimes I've seen so many beginner photographers go into comment sections of photographers or fellow photographers asking for camera settings. Camera settings usually don't matter. Actually, camera settings don't matter at all. Here are my reasons. You may be asking another photographer for their camera settings, but he was able to set up the camera according to, first of all, the environment in which he was shooting, the lighting he used, the time of the day he shot the photos, then the environment, whether it was indoor or outdoor, then the speed at which the subject was. So I mean like the kind of photography the person was doing, then the color in that environment, whether it was the environment had too yellows or too much of the blues. So basically their white balance was actually also different. So you may ask for their camera settings and you don't know what their artistic preference was when they were taking those photos. So usually you shouldn't go into, or you shouldn't go ahead asking for camera settings as a beginner. Yes? All you have to do is understanding the exposure triangle. You have to understand what each and every aspect of the exposure triangle is going to be contributing to the image. So exposure triangle has ISO, shutter speed, and the aperture. So all these are going to be affecting the image that you capture. So you have to understand how to shoot in manual, and you understand the exposure triangle instead of going ahead and asking for camera settings for different photographers. Like I've said, different photographers have different styles, and there are different reasons as to why they use specific camera settings in order to achieve the photos that they post. So, let me just do a little bit of a recap. Different photographers use different camera settings to achieve a given photo or to achieve a given kind of result. Yes? So, whenever a photographer is taking a photo, they take into consideration the type of lens used. That is going to be depending, then the aperture used for that lens, then the intention of that moment, whether they want the background in focus or whether they don't want it in focus. Then they also take into consideration the lights used. So by environment, I mean someone may have shot indoors and they had to use strobes or they use continuous lighting to light up the subject. So you may ask for those settings and they give you indoor settings, but for your case, you're going to be shooting outdoors, meaning the settings you're given for an indoor shoot are not going to be they won't be effective for you in an outdoor kind of setting. Hope I'm being clear. So what I would recommend is, as a photographer, you have to learn and master how to shoot in manual, and understand how the exposure triangle is going to be affecting the image. Yeah. So there are so many videos about how to shoot using manual or the manual mode and understand the exposure triangle. And this is going to be helping you because different photographers have different styles. I may give you my camera settings and they won't be working for your kind of style or technique. Remember, we as photographers, we have different styles and we have that kind of unique artistic kind of view to every image or to every photo that we try to capture in the field. So stop asking for camera settings. All you have to do is going out there and you learn and master how to shoot in manual and understand how the exposure triangle is going to be affecting the photo that you capture as a photographer. So I hope I've been clear with this, and in case you have any suggestion, you can drop it in the comment section, and this is going to help any beginner photographer suffering with photography and how to set up the camera right to achieve beautiful results. Keep practicing and as well keep creating.